Hello friends, this is Pets Lover Man and this is a crow which I am just recording. I'm making the video of this crow. This crow is sitting on a chair. Let's see what it does. I think it's looking for food maybe. It's a hungry or thirsty crow. Let me check what it is doing. So friends, I'm Pets Lover Man and this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it and press the bell icon so you get the latest notifications. Well, this crow is sitting. I think it's having a nice time. Let's see when it flies. I think that's too much. No, I'm closing the video.